Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. It's still Mind Hives. Okay, today we are going to be learning determinants of matrix. If you watch our former videos, you are going to see the explanation of matrix, types of matrix, addition and subtraction of matrix, multiplication of matrix. So today we are going over to determinants of matrix. Okay, so we are going to be using this as an example. This is a matrix A which has the elements of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to be finding the determinant of A. So to do this, remember this A, when it's written this way, it is in matrix form. So for us to solve it first, we need to put A in a determinant form, which is just instead of using a closed bracket, we use a straight line now. So we are putting it in the determinant form. Now the next thing is to get the determinant of A. So how do we do this? The first thing is we multiply 1 by 4, that is the diagonal element of each one. And then 3 we multiply by 2, and then we find their difference. So let's quickly do it. So this will become, we have 1 times 4 minus 3 times 2. So we have 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 times 2 is what? 6. So when we subtract, we have that the determinant of A is equal to what? Minus what? 2. And that becomes our answer. So we have delta A equal to minus 2, and we're done. So this is for a 2 by 2 matrix, okay? So you just multiply by the diagonal element, and then we find when you are done with the two sides, you find the difference and you get your answer. So let's do for a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's do for a 3 by 3 matrix. So in this one, the game will get tougher and we have to do more things. So let's use A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 1. So let's use this element. So we are going to be finding the determinant of the this element. We are going to be finding the determinant of A. Sorry. So let's go. So the first thing you do is this one we have a slight difference, so you pay attention. So what we do is first is in matrix form. We write it and put it in the determinant form. So we have this 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 1. So this is the first step. So the next thing is we are going to be finding the determinant. But there is something you do first. There is something you do first. So now look at what you do. Now you are going to be picking each of the elements in this determinant matrix A. You pick each of the first element in the first row. Each one you pick, you are going to find the minor of it. What do we mean? We have the determinant of A will be equal to, so let's start with 1. So this is 1. Then we have the minor of 1. So what do we mean by the minor? We are going to cancel out the row in which 1 is placed, and you cancel out the colon. Then any other element that is remaining becomes the minor of 1. So if we should cancel this place, cancel this colon, we have 5, 2, 3, 1 remaining. So we have 5, 2, 3, 1. Then we are going to be going over to 2. So instead of us to write 2, we are going to write minus 2. Because why? In matrix, the determinant follows a pattern that when you have positive first, the next one should be negative. And after negativity, you should also have positive. That way, the next one should also be what? Negative. That way. So since we have done the first one, which is 1, that is why our 1 here is positive. So when we are going over to 2 now, we should put the minus, okay? So that is it. So we have minus 2. So let's cancel out. We go here, cancel here. So the element that will be remaining will be 4, 2, 1, 1. So we have 4, 2, 1, 1. Then we go back to 3. So 3 will be plus, okay? So we have 3. Now let's cancel the row of 3. When you cancel the row of 3, then let's cancel the column of 3. We cancel it out. So you see that this is the minor that is remaining. So we have 4, 5, 1, 3. So this way now we can go ahead to find the determinant of A. So let's continue. So we have word into, you do your normal stuff. Now this has become a 2 by 2. It's now 2 by 2, so 2 rows and 2 columns. So you can go ahead and multiply while finding their difference. So we have 5 times word minus 3 times 2, you close the bracket, minus 2 into 4 times 1, 4 times 1, minus 1 times 2, you close it, and then we have 3 into 4 times 3, minus 1 times 5. So we proceed. So we have 1 into 5 times 1 is 5, minus 3 times 2 is what? 6. So we go minus 2 into 4 times 1 is 4, and minus 1 times 2 is 2. So we go to 3 into 4 times 3 is 12, minus 1 times 5 is what? 5. So let's go. We have 1 into 5 minus 6 will give me minus 1. So we have minus 2 into 4 minus 2 will give me what? 2. Then we have 3 into 12 minus 5 will give me what? 7. So let's continue. So from here we have 1 times minus 1 will give me what? Minus 1. Minus 2 times 2 will give me what? Minus 4. And 3 times 7 will give me what? 21, right? Yeah. So we have, from here we have minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5 plus 21, right? So from there we are going to have that determinant A is equal to, now minus 5 means you are owing, and then plus 21 means you have money, so we have to settle the debt, okay? So we are going to have what? 16 remaining, and that becomes our final answer. So 16 will be the determinant of A of the question we set earlier. So that is it for today, and this is where we are going to be stopping. So if you get confused, just replay the video and slow it down. Thank you very much.